It's driving by itself.
What? Are you? What the heck?
How we doing, guys?
Good. How are you?
Good, good.
That looks like a tablet.
Yeah, basically it is. Yep.
That's crazy.
8325 31st Avenue South. Yeah, it's pretty much a tablet.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Teslas.
Goodness, what is my cousin's posting on Snapchat?
I'm scared.
Gotta let him see.
Ooh, that's a big bump.
That's the TikTok trend that I be seeing couples do. Like, I seen Larry. I seen, you know Larry? Larry, Sashi, and Zaza. And I forgot that his other son name. He got a new baby. He just had a new baby.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. They're just like, yeah. But I saw they did. I saw they did it, and that's why I know right away when I saw that. I was like, hey.
I don't think I've seen it. I don't know mine actually. Sometimes I'll literally just be scrolling on TikTok and like not even paying attention to what I'm watching. Yeah.
Autopilot.
What is it?
It's driving by itself.
What? Are you? What the heck? Oh my goodness.
The first time we tried it, were you scared?
So I've been babied through it. So I bought my first Tesla in 2019. And back then, all it would do is freeway and lane keeping and everything. So I've gone through every single iteration. So I've just kind of, you know, they'll add something else, right? Then they'll add something else. And so, but yeah, if you gave me the car and said, here, take this person to 31st Avenue and don't touch the steering wheel without ever experiencing it, I think it'd be pretty daunting, right? But
Yeah,
since I'm so used to it, you know.
How does it know if it's like, if the light's like red or something?
It can see them.
What the
Yeah,
heck?
it can see.
Cars.
Yeah, see the tablet we were talking about earlier?
Yeah.
It sees everything.
That's crazy. That's like so cool at the same time though.
There's 8 cameras, so there's 3 cameras up here looking forward. Then there's these 2 cameras, they're in front of and below the rear view mirror. By the way, that's the car changing lanes.
Oh my.
And then if this camera is looking like this, there's a camera up here looking like this.
Yeah.
And so that's what it's using.
What the heck? That's, oh my goodness.
Okay,
That's
I'm gonna be
awesome.
honest, I don't like electric cars and stuff,
Yeah.
but I would get a Tesla.
Yeah. That's crazy.
I don't gotta touch the steering wheel, and this just takes me wherever I want to go. All I gotta do is plug it in.
We're living in 2030.
We are, I figure I've got 3 years and then I'm going to lose my job. I figure I'm going to get fired in the next 3 years or so. This car's going to have my job.
Oh goodness. Yeah, that's crazy.
We have a stat. We just got it recently, so I've driven 8,200 miles and the car's done 7,600 of that.
Dang, what the heck? Yeah, that's crazy. Wow, that's cool though. That's like nice. I feel like I'd be scared to do that, but like at the same time.
Yeah.
It's not, it's like.
So you ready? So we're going to turn on the signal. So signal goes on.
Yeah.
And we're going to change lanes.
Oh my goodness. That's like crazy. It's like a robot car.
It is a robot car.
Oh my goodness.
So see it. See how you can see the lights?
Yeah.
See what color it is?
Yeah.
You'll see that.
What the heck? Oh my goodness. What if you got, it would be funny if like, it was like, it drove past a red light or something, and then you went to court for it, and they were like, and you were like, my car was driving itself.
So right now,
Yeah.
if the car does something wrong, it's my fault.
Right, yeah.
That's the way it's licensed right now.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can't use the defense of my car made me do it. You know,
Right, yeah.
unfortunately that doesn't work.
Yeah.
And that's really sad. But we're not very far away from, oh, my car did it. You know, that's going to be interesting.
Yeah. That's funny.
I wonder about the one that don't have drivers at all.
The Waymos.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're coming to Seattle. They're actually already here. They're doing a test program. I think they've got 12 cars here and they're beta testing right now, and so
Yeah, I would never get in one of those.
I feel like isn't those the ones that you're in there by yourself?
Mhm. And watch this. It should park right here. Let's see what it does.
Yeah.
Where's it gonna park? Where's it gonna park? I told it curbside.
Oh.
Okay. Apparently
What
this
the
is
heck?
it.
Yeah, that's like the perfect spot.
Okay,
too.
apparently we made it.
Yeah.
This is it. All right, buddy, you can stop. There we go. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the day, huh?
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a great
You
day.
betcha.